cute. They have seriously gorgeous Christmas decorations out. We are at this super fancy place to see Patrice at work and to eat. We had a lot of fun visiting my niece Patrice at work, and we ate lunch there and enjoyed every bit of it, and touring obviously to see all their Christmas stuff, which was super fun. But now we're back, and now it's time to start decorating all of the cookies. So let's get to making the frosting so then we can color them all. Now the recipe we use, which is also my grandma's, is very simple and only requires 4 ingredients, which you just saw I got all of them out: the sugar, confectioner sugar, the butter, vanilla, and milk. Maybe 1 butter under and then sugar and 1 butter. It just says cream together. It's not like it's put next to each other.
Okay.
So put butter in.
The whole thing, right?
Yeah. And then dump some all sugar. I don't even. This is just vanilla.
Oh, that's it?
Yep. Careful now. Careful.
About that. Put the other butter in here?
Yeah.
Whatever that is, I would like some.
And then we can always add more vanilla if it's not strong enough. And then if it's too thin, we add more sugar, which we have more. And if it's too thick, we add more milk.
Yeah, let's look a little.
I don't think, as long as we keep it on 1, I think it'll be fine. One. Don't we?
Oh, it's over here.
We have one complaint to file with Wilton because this color is not burgundy.
No.
It's not even close. What is this? What? I'm sorry. They need to get their color naming convention correct because this is not burgundy. We've officially finished all of the cookies, and it only took us a few hours to frost all of them. Now, as you saw, some of them are prettier than others, which always happens. There were a few mishaps. I think we only broke one or two, so that's pretty good. And we did make do with the colors that we had. Despite that color not being burgundy, we're still mad about that one. And that means we are heading out soon. Now that we've finished frosting all the cookies and eating probably far too many than I should have, I'll show you guys some of the decorations at my sister-in-law's house that she spent a lot of time doing and really enjoys, including some that were my mom's decorations that are now here. So it's really nice to see them all in action and up. So those are all the lovely decorations that my sister-in-law has up. Hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing some of them. But that means we are heading out to the trek back to Orlando. But it's been a lot of fun spending the weekend here, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the whole cookie making process. And in case you guys didn't know, my mom used to make thousands of cookies every year, and we only did one recipe and maybe like just over 100. So not even scratching the surface, but we did want to make some cookies for some people in our lives and for some of her work friends. So it was a fun time overall to do that with my sister-in-law and then have KJ help. And I know that'll be a couple more testers to test the cookies once they're home from work. So my brother and niece will test them and love them as they always do. But that's it for us here, and I'll check in with you guys when we make it back home with the cats and all that fun stuff. And we've got a happy little Poppy to have Mom home. Yeah, she's very happy about that. Are you so happy? She wants treats, that's what she wants. Okay, a couple treats for the good girls who were good while I was gone. And there she goes. She also wants some treats. There's also something about coming home and being able to just click the button on your phone and turn on your Christmas tree once again. She is beauty, she is grace, and she'll be the ambiance for this evening. But thank you guys so much for coming along for Vlogmas Day 12, which was, might I add, probably the most insane cookie day because there was a lot of perfectionism that slowly went out the window as you have to frost over 100 cookies. But I've probably eaten the equivalent of at least 8 cookies, whether that be pieces that have fallen off or just frosting itself. But I had a lot of fun getting that sugar high with my sister-in-law and then my boyfriend also helping out with a lot of the frosting today. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did and subscribe and catch up on Vlogmas up here. But thank you guys so much for joining the Cookie Adventure weekend. Always fun, always a blast. And always great way to pay homage to my mother, who always made those cookies every year. But again, I'll have the recipe down below in case any of you are interested. But that's it for Vlogmas Day 12. We're going strong, and hopefully you guys are enjoying it. Be sure to leave a comment down below if there's anything else you want to see during Vlogmas. But that's it for me for today. I'm going to unwind with some YouTube. And that's it. Bye, guys.